By the way, hata huyu watani
bado wangepeleka nini ati nini hiyo?
Huyu amekataa, amesema hizo ongea.
Kwa nini mnakataa kuongea juu ya nini?
Mimi siwezi ongea kama mkubwa wangu atanipea.
Nampigia simu hapa sasa hivi. Protocols, but what I'm asking
kama
you guys.
ataniambia niongee.
I'm Joe Mushiri. I'm the service park manager, 2025. The sea containers, they came yesterday, and now today we are opening with the guys for the customs, and all is well. All the containers have come for the Toyota. Hyundai also, they are here. We are waiting now for the Ford M-Sport, which are on the way coming to the service park. Service park by Sunday, it will be full operational, and all sectors or departments, they'll have come back now to the main HQ, because service park, it's the nerve center of the WRC 2025. Between now and recce, all the teams are working on the recce cars, preparing for their crew on how and checking on how to make sure that they set the machines according to the weather and according to the new new setup of the new stages. So once next week they'll have to go out and do the recce. Yeah, for this year we have the new the supplier now for the tires. We now have the Pirelli are normal. We have the Hankook, so that's a new team on board when it comes to the supplying of the rally tires. The others now, the other teams are the normal teams, but now the P1s, they are mostly the same, but we have a lot of P2 and P3s. So this time the event is more than expected. The number has raised all the way to 50, and even the locals they have been on board, so the event will be okay. The locals, we have engaged them a lot because we have done the repair of the roads, which we started a month ago, and we have been evolving them. Right now, as you can see when you walk in, you saw a lot of guys, the locals, they are working. They're making sure our service park is so set, it's so clean. Even the suppliers are getting them to help them to do their setup. So they've gotten an opportunity to work together with the entire organizers.